Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Very warm welcome to my vlog series. In this new episode, we will be visiting to the HinduBaig waterfall, which is located in the Sulatan Valley. Dear viewers, if you want to visit this very amazing waterfall, so let's start your journey from Mingavara. You will reach to Mata, which is 23 km from Mingavara, and from Mata just go to Chuprial, which is about 9 kilometers. From Chuprial further up is Gwalerai, which is about 9 kilometers, and at Gwalerai Chowk, one track is turning on the left side, which is leading to Beha, which is about 2.8 kilometers, and from here you can go to Jarogo Abshar, which is 9.1 kilometer. Whereas at Gwalerai, on your right side, if you will take turn, so you will go to Roringar, which is about 2 kilometers. Further up from Roringar is Julba waterfall, which is about 2.5 kilometers, and a few furlongs further up is Mandaldog. From Mandaldog you can continue your journey towards Sulatan, which is 7.4 kilometers. Right from Sulatan, about 40 to 50 minutes hiking, trekking will take you up to the HinduBaig waterfall, which is so amazing. The entire trek is very tough and rough, and take care while during your hiking. This is a very beautiful and newly discovered waterfall by one of my friends, Aftab Hussain Khan from Ronial, who is just in front of you, and on his back is the amazing HinduBaig waterfall. Dear friends, here two waterfalls are located. The lower one is about 8,200 feet above the sea level, whereas the upper one is around 9,005 feet above the sea level. Just in front of you, Aftab Hussain Khan, one of my best friend, who has made this video, and he is talking about the importance of this wonderful valley. Dear viewers, this whole HinduBaig waterfall has been discovered by Aftab Hussain Khan, and now a watermelon is being cooled, and now friends are eating it in the very fresh mineral water of this very lovely and amazing waterfall. And this is the entire trek through which you can ascend and can be reached here. Dear viewers, the upper waterfall is a bit tough trek. However, we have been able to reach there, and this entire valley is so amazing. No one has been to this waterfall except the local people. So for the first time through my YouTube channel, I am sharing this very wonderful and amazing waterfall with my lovely viewers. Dear friends, this Sulatan Valley is so beautiful and lush green. From here, so many treks are leading to different wonderful valleys, like one of them through Sulatan up to Derai, and from there to Salosar Pass you can enter into the Sedgai Kandau, which is linked through Ushere Dara, and from here you will be hiking towards Sedgai Banda and onward towards the Saidgai Lake, whereas another is leading towards the Daral Lake. And the Sulatan meadows are so beautiful, lush green, and are very wonderful to see them. Is linked with Gabinjaba. And in this particular valley you can see a lot of waterfall, or if we can term it as the land of waterfall, so this may be a true fact for this very wonderful valley. Now this is the trek to which we have been ascended to the second, the uppermost waterfall. We are walking on the rather Aftab Hussain Khan is walking on the snowy surface, and one can see some glaciers as well over here. This waterfall is about 9,500 feet above the sea level. This second waterfall in front of you is very amazing, and above this waterfall you can visit the meadows and very beautiful surrounding territories which are very beautiful and amazing. So Babu Sahab is along with Aftab Hussain Khan, and this young boy Rafiullah Khan is sitting, who has been with Aftab Hussain Khan. Rafiullah Khan is sitting a bit tired while visiting to this very rough and tough territory. The trek is so amazing but very tough and rough. You can see one of the waterfall is flowing downward the surrounding territory. From this direction we have been entered to this valley, which is snowy. Snow can be seen. Let's see this very beautiful and amazing waterfall, and which is almost similar to the Jarogo waterfall. At Jarogo, one waterfall which is very frequently visited by the tourist, that is the Jarogo waterfall, but there is yet another one which is the Jarogo Valley waterfall. And these are some of the pictures which we have taken. This is yet another waterfall in the Sulatan Valley, and of course another one, the third one, and you can see this very beautiful and amazing valley, the three waterfalls at one particular place. And these are the meadows of Sulatan Valley. Sulatan Valley is very lush and green, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Do visit, you will enjoy it. It's a new and very amazing valley, so please, you are most welcome to this